Geometry. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners or vertices. Opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Square. Square has 4 sides, 4 corners or vertices. All sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Rectangle and square are quadrilaterals made up of 4 sides and 4 corners. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. In a solid shape, the surface is called a face. The line where 2 faces meet is called an edge, and the point where edges meet is called a corner or vertex. Some examples of solid shape are cuboid. A cuboid has 12 sides, 6 faces, 8 corners. Opposite faces are equal. All faces are rectangular. Cube. A cube has 12 sides, 6 faces, 8 corners. All faces are equal. All faces square. Cylinder. A cylinder has 2 edges, 3 faces, no corners, 1 curved face and 2 circular faces. Sphere. A sphere has 1 curved face, no sides and no corners. Cone. A cone has 1 edge, 2 faces, 1 corner, 1 face is curved and 1 face is circular. Open figures. While drawing a figure from any point, if we will not be able to reach the starting point, then these are called open figures. Closed figures. While drawing a figure from any point, if we reach the starting point, then these are called closed figures. The area enclosed by the figure is called interior. Triangle. Polygon made up of 3 line segments is called triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides of triangle ABC are AB, BC and AC. The 3 vertices of triangle ABC are A, B and C. The 3 angles of triangle ABC are angle ABC or angle B, angle BCA or angle C and angle CAB or angle A. Properties of triangle. The sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. The sum of the length of any 2 sides of triangle is greater than its third side. In triangle ABC, sides are 4 cm, 6 cm and 5 cm. Then 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, which is greater than 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, which is greater than 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, which is greater than 6. Classification of triangle. Equilateral triangle. Triangle having all sides equal. In triangle ABC, sides AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Isosceles triangle. Triangles having 2 equal sides. In triangle ABC, sides AB is equal to BC. Scalene triangle. Triangle having all sides different length. In triangle ABC, AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. Classification of triangle. Acute angled triangle. Triangle having all angles acute. In triangle ABC, angle A, angle B and angle C are smaller than 90 degree. Right angle triangle. Triangle having one angle as right angle. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle. Triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle. In triangle ABC, angle B is 120 degree. Circle. A closed figure made up of only one curved line is called circle. It is drawn around a fixed point called the center. The length of the boundary of circle is called circumference. Any point on the curved surface is at the same distance from the center, and this distance is called radius. Line formed by joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord. There can be many chords and can be of varying lengths. Line AB passes through center O and touches point A and B on the circumference is called diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Diameter divides circle into 2 equal halves called semicircle. Diameter is equal to radius plus radius, or diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Perimeter. The length of the boundary of a polygon is called perimeter. To find the perimeter, we need to add the length of each side. In polygon ABCD, perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 18 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. 2 into L plus 2 into B. 2 into L plus B. In rectangle ABCD, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 14 centimeter. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. In square ABCD, perimeter is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 centimeter. Thank you.